Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we're going to take a closer look at some of the new, or one of the new dies from iCrafter. It's May 1st and iCrafter has their release of this month's products, and I wanted to share a product that I created with you all. So here it is, the Slanted Carrier, and it has a lot of dies that you can pull together, but the main part creates this carrier or basket or whatever you want to call it. And I start off by just creasing all the crease lines that this scores for you, and then I'm adhering the pieces, so I'm forming the main body here, and I'm putting some liquid towards the top so I can adhere my handle together, and the bottom puts together like a moving basket, if that makes sense. Unfortunately I didn't get this on camera, but I will share with you how mine looked, or I am thinking that this is the way it's supposed to be looking. So you can see it here from the side a little bit, and it also comes with a lot of decorating pieces that you can cut out of different pattern papers or solid cardstock or whatever you like to use. And I cut these out of some paper from Lawn Fawn, and I'm just adhering them to all of the sides. By the way, my card base is in this baby blue color, and I thought that matched really nicely with all of the flowers that I am having on this pattern paper. So you can see how the sides looks when it's all pretty and dressed up. And now I will decorate it a little bit more. So in one of the newer sets from iCrafter, there was this beautiful flower that I created. I will actually have a video later this month if you like to see how I created these flowers. And in that set it also comes with a tag, so I wanted to include that because I thought it was really cute to have like a message on this one. The butterfly is also from that newer set that I will share with you later this month. And this for you, it comes with in this set, and it's a little bit larger, super nice font. And of course I ripped it when I was supposed to peel it out of my the excess pieces when I cut it out. So be careful when you're doing that, but I had no problem just laying them next to each other. Nobody except you all will know that I messed up when I was a little bit impatient when I tried to peel it out. So here I'm taking some gold twine and just wrapping it around my handle here, so the tag will be nicely adhere here. And then I will decorate the side as well, and of course my little butterfly will go there. And I will try to hold this box in a position so you can see when I'm adhering my flower, but it's quite hard to get this on camera when you're doing projects like this that is 3D, and you can see I'm ending up putting it down a lot of times just to make sure that I am liking the position of the flower. But you can use whatever dies you have, or pattern paper or ephemera, to decorate this really cute box. So here it is, all finished, and I really like it. It's super cute, and it has these 4 boxes that you can pull some cool stuff into, maybe nail polish or some other small items that you have and want to give away. So super cute. And I wanted to share this in comparison to a previous released carrier. So this is the double carrier, and this is the Slanted Carrier. So you can see the difference in size, and yeah, the newer one is a little bit wider and the older one is a bit more narrow. So it all depends on what you're creating, but if you have that one, you probably know exactly how to assemble this newer one as well. So I just wanted to include that so you can see how it looks side by side. So I also wanted to share some a card that I created with this, because it has these really nice Monstera leaves, I want to call them that, but hey, I could be wrong. So I'm just gonna peel out all the inside pieces, and then I will adhere them flat down to my card panel here. This is an A2 sized card panel that I'm having, and I will speed this up so you don't have to see me fiddling around with it too much. And then when I'm done with this, I will splatter this a lot with black paint. It's some acrylic paint that I have in my stash, and I think that really makes a huge difference. And of course, before I'm doing that, I will cut away all the excess pieces on my panel here and take some of them just to here and fill out my image here. So that is something I like to do, just to make sure that I am loving my card. I will just do the last bits here, and then it's done. And now for the paint, I'm just using an acrylic block and a paintbrush. And you probably seen me, or seen the result anyway. It was a while since I did this on camera. And let me tell you, my camera, my wall behind my camera setup, my desk, everything was black. Even though I had a splatter box like this, it goes everywhere. So I really recommend doing this outside, and that is why I usually don't include my splattering process in video, because it's a mess to clean up after you're done. So I'm sorry about my voice, but it's the main reason for why I'm not showing that more often. So for my sentiment, I used a really old product from iCraft. I believe this is one of the first products that they came out with, and I used it a ton. I really like this banner, and then just the thanks in gold on top. I think that really finished this card out. And by the way, all of the products that I'm using in this video will be linked down below if you want to check them out. And I will also link to my blog post, my coordinating blog post. In that post you can also see all the products that I used in this video. They will be linked also down below if you're interested in checking them out. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!